What is going on, guys? Island Life Fishing here. So today we're out here in Broward County. We're fishing the freshwater canals. We're looking for snook and tarpon on artificial. It's pretty difficult in the canals, but it just rained a lot, so a lot of the water's moving pretty good in the canals. So we're gonna hit a few spots here around Broward, see if we can find some snook and tarpon, hopefully some big ones. And then I also brought my frogs with me, some brand new concept Monster 3X frogs, guys. That right there, Monster 3X. They just came out with some new frog baits, so I'm gonna be testing them out today. Hopefully on a couple snakeheads and see if we can catch them. So, all right, guys, let's see what we can do. All right, so this first spot here, I'm just casting around a jerk bite, see if I can catch any smaller snook before I whip out the big swim bait. And then as soon as I'm doing this, a guy hooks up right next to me that was fishing just outside the bridge. Check this out. Oh, what you got? There's another one? Yeah, don't lose your fish, don't lose your fish. Dude, solid snook right there, man. That's a beautiful fish. Heck yeah. That's a pretty fish, bro. Especially out of the freshwater. So after I seen that guy just catch that really nice snook, probably just under slot, I started casting on the bridge with a big swim bait. I got a few hits from a few nice underslot fish. Didn't actually catch any, so then after that, I moved to a canal very close to there, actually just down the road, a little more inland, and got on some decent action. Hooked a nice tarpon right before this clip, about a 20-25 pound fish. Came up, jumped off in the first jump, which I would actually go back there right here to the same spot and hook another one right before I left the canal. So then after that, I walked down the canal a little more, threw the big swim bait around a little more, and then after that, switched to frog, brand new Monster 3X frog. Had some snakehead action on it. So check this out. This mullet and see if we can get big snook, or just a tarpon that'll actually stay on the hook. It just rained a lot, so a lot of mullet have pushed up into these canals along with tarpon and snook. A bunch of them have pushed up in here, these freshwater canals, Broward County. So we're gonna pull this mullet lure around and see if we can entice something monstrous to come eat this guy. 3X frog. See if we can find a snakehead that wants to clap it. Come on, clap the 3X frog. I promise you won't break it. You can try. Gosh, guys, there's a snakehead right here. Doesn't see the frog yet. He's sitting in grass right here. Oh, he's moving. He sees it. He literally has his head in the grass right here, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, he's literally stalking this frog. No! Oh my god, it was a big one, man. He tried to eat it. No! I got that on camera. He literally put his head out of the water trying to get that. Oh man. Well, he definitely wanted the frog. We know they get ate. Dang it. Alright, you guys, we got snakehead on the frog. On the Monster 3X frog. Decent fish. On the Monster 3X frog, not a bad snakehead. Oh, all right, nice fish. Nice little snake, probably 3 pounds or so. Beautiful fish. He got hooked perfect, right in the top of the mouth. And look at that, on the frog, still perfectly intact, hasn't broken at all. Look at that. Snakehead chomped it, frog's perfectly fine. Look at that, woo! He's freaking out. Beautiful snakehead, guys, on the Monster 3X frog. Frog still perfectly intact, literally no rips or anything. That is beautiful. And a gorgeous snakehead. Let's get it back in the water. All right, you guys, there it is. Beautiful little coconut head. See you later, buddy. Whew, took off right there like a rocket. All right, yeah. We got a snakehead, guys, on the Monster 3X frog. Brand new. Guys, go check them out. Those are brand new baits from Monster 3X. Check them out. They are absolute slayers. Right here. There we go, guys. Tarpon on. Oh! Whoa! We threw it right there. Oh my gosh. Dude, they love the friggin' mullet, man. So I just finished hooking up with that tarpon. I cast it a couple more times to see if I can get another one. Didn't get any other hits. So I actually moved from that canal and went to a spillway that was dumping out fresh water into the bay from the canal systems here around Broward. And it's just, as the water was absolutely ripping. It was right along the side of the highway. So I stopped by there through the mold a few times and actually hooked up on a nice little snook, which was awesome because I had a couple of hits from them all day and finally landed one, so it was sick. All right, so guys, we finally are on a snook on the Savage Gear swim bait. Oh! It's a little one. Oh my gosh, he's fighting. Whoa! Oh! Nice little snook. All right, let's flip him. Oh! All right. There we go, guys. Solid snook right there. All right, guys, there we go. Nice little snook on the Savage Gear swim bait. It's time to say bye to Mr. Snook. Mr. Dad. All right, beautiful little snook right there. See you later, bud. Woo! There he goes, rocketed. Perfect head dive. All right. Yeah!